Hello guys, here we have a 2014 Dodge Ram 4500 heavy duty tire service truck. It's got an FEC service body, fleet maintained all its life. Let's take a look around. Overall body's in solid condition. There's no cracks on the windshield. There's no major dents or anything crazy on the body. Tires are in good condition all around. Normal signs of wear on the service bed, on the tire service bed. Truck does not have an air compressor. As you can see, it's aluminum FEC. I believe this is a 12 or 13 foot service body. Rear tires are in real good shape. You can look at the undercarriage there. This is an automatic truck, rear wheel drive, heavy duty lift gate in the back, cold AC in the cab. Take a look at the bed. Aluminum bed, solid, no holes in them. You know, normal signs of wear like these. Scratches on the body. No rust issues in here. Rear tires are real good. Brand new chrome wheel simulators all around. 2 heavy duty reels. It's got floodlights around. Front tire still got life. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 561-400-4556. Offers are welcome. Thanks for watching.